We're in an ice storm. It's been raining ice for over a day now. We lost power the second day in a row. We didn't have it for 8 hours yesterday.
More damaged trees.
It's so much better down here than it...
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. As far as you go east, the farther east you go, the less damage there is.
Oh yeah, Tulsa doesn't even have... I didn't even think they had any ice. I think it didn't even get super cold.
Yeah, it was just a belt going right up along the eastern edge touched I-35, and then everything west to about Weatherford, and then up. That's it. Everything else was fine. So we were literally like dead center on a river of ice.
They don't have any ice, really.
Yeah, no, these guys have got nothing.
Oh, those trees.
Oh, look at these ones. That was big damage right there.
It's gonna be Halloween time at our house, and we're gonna go to the Halloween thing, and then go trick or treat to everybody's houses, and we're gonna knock on the door and say trick or treat. Smell my feet, give me some.
Oh, that one pulled out of the ground. Because they just barely... Oh, they hadn't been planted yet.
That's big reason. That's big reason.
Do I know what you say?
Yes.
You say, trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. If you don't, I don't care, I will pull down your underwear.
Oh my gosh.
Are you trying to mess me up?
No, I'm trying not to hit tree branches and everything.
Oh, okay. It's like I thought you were trying to mess me up.
We haven't had power since Monday. Today is Thursday afternoon. So me and the boys drove down to my mom's house. And right when we get here, the power turns on at home finally. Anyways, on other news, look up. Yogi Bear! Good job! Yay! What are you saying no to? Oh, yep. You can't go over there, huh? Rock? Oh, what you got? Rocks? Hi, handsome boy. Rocks. Uh-oh. Oh, ooh, rocks. No, don't go into the field. Hey, stay out of the... Good job. Oh. Good job. More?